Hello again and welcome to the Delmi Training Institute channel. Most importantly, we are here at the 2025 CANASA show and we are at the Camden booth, and I'm here with Dave Malen. He's the president of Camden. So in some of the videos you guys did hear me talk about Camden products a lot, and Dave is the one behind this product brand. Full disclosure, this is a Canadian-made product, and they are supporting Canadian enterprises like Delmi Training Institute.
What we have here is a whole range of hands-free switches, right? So the advantage of the hands-free is you don't have to physically touch, concern about germs, contamination, but also, somebody might be in a wheelchair, or they might be in a pushing a stroller, so it's advantageous to use a hands-free switch. We do both line-powered and battery-powered models, which is nice. But what we've also done, all of these are using what we call infrared technology, which is very good technology because it gives you a very narrow beam. You won't accidentally trigger. But there's a bit of a limitation on infrared in that if you're outdoors, sunlight, direct sunlight can cause an issue. So what we've done is we've come up with some microwave switches which are totally impervious to sunlight and also weather. So if you have rain or snow or otherwise, it's not a problem, right? They won't be affected by it. We have a full range of strikes, but I want to just highlight a couple of models which are quite interesting. These are strikes which are designed for use with a rim exit device, a crash bar. You'll see these on back doors often of warehouses or other facilities. And the advantage of these models over anything else in the marketplace is that they have a unique ability, which is to handle what we call preload. Preload is pressure that gets exerted on the jaws of the strike, which will cause the strike to bind. So what you have to do when that occurs is you have to sometimes pull the door in order to get it to release. So we've come up with a patented design, so even though pressure is being exerted on the jaws, when power is applied, it's still going to release, right? So that's a big and huge advantage. Expansion, contraction in the door because of the weather, or maybe the door hardware hasn't been installed all that correctly. This preload handles all of that, all of those issues. So that's a good one.
And I understand it's got some very good warranty on it as well.
5-year warranty.
See, so this just goes to show the trust you have in the products. And I've used the products many years ago. And I continue to use them. So this is out on the market now?
It is.
Okay.
These have been, this model, the 3/4 inch, has been in the market for about 3 or 4 years. This one has been about a year. And they both have the same technology. This one has a fire rating as well. And we won a bunch of industry awards for these models. Best new products, etc. One other strike I want to just highlight, which is interesting, is this is what we call a gate strike. It's an outdoor rated strike, which we offer in 2 versions, either for use with a cylindrical lock or for use with a rim exit device. So you could use these to secure around an outdoor pool area. It could be a marine application. It comes with a weld box as part of the package, so you can attach this to the gate and then install one of these and you're up and running. And these are fully protected. They're tested for salt spray and all other kinds of applications.
This one I really like.
So this is designed to highlight how the delayed egress lock works. So the main difference between a delayed egress lock and a regular magnetic lock, which are over here, is the delayed egress lock, when it's activated, there's a delay in how long it takes for the door to open. So there's a visual countdown and there's also an audible countdown. So the idea behind it is if you have an application, for example, a nursing home, or some other application where you have people that you don't want to have going out the door and wandering down the stairs and out in the parking lot. We call that a wandering patient application, right? So you put this type of lock on the door, and then it gives you a delay of 15 or 30 seconds, depending on the code, where the door won't open, and you can then notify somebody that, hey, Mrs. Smith is trying to get out. Let's go there and make sure that she doesn't wander out the doorway, right? So that's one big application. Now, these are going to be tied into the fire system, so that in the event that there's a real emergency, it will drop open immediately. You know, you don't want to lock people in. Yeah, exactly right. And then we have a variety of accessories, sounders, remote sounders, speakers, so that you can turn up the volume, so to speak.
Door will unlock in 15 seconds.
So I can set up remote speakers if it's
door will unlock in 10 seconds.
You know, if I have a big place like this, and I want to put a speaker down on the other side, it gives us the ability to do that.
So it's just going to notify that someone is requesting to exit.
Exactly right. And we have all kinds of other type of enunciators as well that you can add if you wish. So that's another interesting product you might see.
This is new to me.
Yeah.
I haven't seen this. I haven't used it. But like I said, this is why we come to trade shows like this. We are able to look at the latest and the greatest in technologies. Most importantly, as a great partner of Delmi Training Institute, we have access to all these products that are made by Camden, and we are able to showcase the beauty of their products, which are Canadian made, in our classrooms. And our students are always able to learn about the latest in the industry. Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.
I think it's just a wonderful time to be here, and thank you for taking time to show us what the product Camden makes. Until the next one, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dave.
Yeah.